Hello, I'm Mimi. I'm a digital illustrator and I've been sharing my art journey on Instagram and YouTube since 2020 and have just illustrated my first children's picture book. I spent a full year drawing 5 days a week every week to develop my art skills, and now I help other artists develop their own art skills and build their confidence, which is why I've made this Patreon. On my Patreon, you'll receive a virtual goodie bag each month with digital downloads, illustration tutorials and art advice, as well as being a part of my Patreon exclusive illustration club, where I come up with a drawing prompt each month that we can all use to create our own illustrations while sharing ideas and feedback together. And I'll guide you through some activities each month using the prompt to go from some idea sketches to a finished illustration. My Patreon is for creatives who want to develop their art skills. It's for those who want an insight into my art style and business, and also for lovers of cute and cozy illustrations. So how does it work? I have 3 membership tiers you can choose from, so you can select a tier based on what benefits feel like a good fit for you. Once you've joined a tier, you'll receive a welcome note on Patreon that's also delivered via email that'll explain a few things and also have a link to some fun goodies you can download straight away to get you started. Plus, you'll immediately gain access to the Patreon feed where you can look back through previous posts from that tier, and whenever I post something new, you'll receive an email about it, or you can come back to the Patreon feed to see it. You'll receive a new set of benefits each month that'll be shared with you throughout the month, and you can cancel your membership at any time, so if you'd like to just join us for 1 month, then you're more than welcome to. So let's talk about the goodies. If you're a tier 1 little posy, each month you'll receive a couple of newsletters about what I've been up to. You'll help me decide what to draw via polls. I'll share with you some breakdowns of things I've drawn. You'll get 2 cute digital phone wallpapers of my art, plus you'll get a discount to my Etsy store. You'll also get access to my illustration club, which will be a prompt every month with 3 activities over 3 weeks where we can all develop an illustration from that prompt. I'll be doing the activities as well, and we'll be sharing with you what I create and guiding you through the activities so we can all do them together. Join the community Discord to chat to other patrons, share ideas, and get friendly feedback on your creations. For the first illustration club activity each month, I'll be making a video guiding you through it so we can do it together, and for the next 2 activities, I'll be sharing photos and an article of how to complete the activity and what I came up with. In Tier 2, as a happy sunflower, you'll get access to everything from Tier 1, including the illustration club. Plus, you'll get how-to articles each month on things like illustration tips, step-by-step walkthroughs, and some art business advice too. You'll also get a first name shout out at the end of my YouTube videos, so I can publicly thank you for your support. And lastly, as a Tier 3 beautiful bluebell, you get access to absolutely everything on my Patreon. You get all the goodies from the first 2 tiers, plus each month you'll get a Patreon exclusive digital print and sticker of my art. The thing I'm most excited to share with you though is a new video each month showing you my full digital drawing process of an illustration I've drawn from the Illustration Club prompt of the month. You'll also get to access all of the video lessons from before the Illustration Club, and there are lessons on things like how to use color, how to create an interesting composition, and how to add texture to your illustrations. So if you're looking to upskill your illustration knowledge and meet a lovely community of like-minded creatives, then join us this month on Patreon and give it a go. I have so many things I want to tell you about, and I can't wait to start sharing things with you.